living in my own home around my children and wearing a mask all the time and them asking me, why do I have the mask on in the house? You know, it got to the point where I was showing them not a normal life. No matter who it is, you get embarrassed. As superficial as it may sound, for me, it was a big deal. It changed my appearance completely.
Amanda is, boy, I just got the goosebumps. She's a remarkable, brave young woman who, she came to us with terminal dentition, and first time I met Amanda, she was hiding behind her mask and was terrified to remove it.
My dad found Pearl Dental. I did not want to go. Again, I was embarrassed of the way my teeth looked, but he insisted, kept telling me to call. I finally called. You know, the day came and I almost didn't go because I was so afraid and again embarrassed. I wore a mask constantly. I never took the mask off. I ended up going. I met Dr. Salem, and she explained to me all the options I could have.
She was dealing with her own personal issues as far as what she felt like inside that reflected how she was portraying herself to the outside, especially her family. So she took her mask off, and, you know, I smiled at her, and her eyes watered, and I saw the beauty inside and the beauty outside that I was going to give her. So she trusted us and believed in what we could give her, and we were able to give her a dual fixed arch to change her life.
When I saw myself the first time, I was very emotional. I couldn't believe it was me. I couldn't believe they were my teeth. I can't believe how close it resembled my teeth before. The quality of life has changed significantly. I get to go walk in parks again. I get to take my kids out. I get to talk to people without a mask on. I get to look in the mirror and smile. I didn't smile for 2 years. Literally, I had not smiled or opened my mouth or even really looked at myself in the mirror for years. I could say one thing to Dr. Salem and his staff. From the front of her office to the back, I would say, thank you for giving me my life back. Thank you for giving me my confidence. I'm sure my children want to say thank you. I'm very grateful for everything they've done. I would absolutely say this is a life-changing procedure. My life in very short months has changed dramatically.